Hello guys, welcome to another Minecraft video, and today I'm going to show you my legit world on 1.7.3. So, by the way, before I start the video, I want to show you something. Here. Bam! I have Optifine 2 on this 1.7.3 version. So basically, it's a old type of world. I've never been playing it before, but this is my legit world. How I did made it. It's all legit. All legit. All diamond too. By the way, I found this world like before. I found it yesterday, but I think to play to record on it now. But before find the world, I was playing it before like I wasn't playing. I wasn't recording on Minecraft. I wasn't recording Minecraft videos and something. From there I started this world, and now I finally found it, and now I think it's a record on it, and bang, I'm recording now. So this is my house that I made. My armor is small because I was going now mining some iron. I made two stone pickaxes and all into the two broken all iron. I made iron tools and iron armor. Okay, so this world I'm going to tell you that like in 1 year or something I created it before starting recording. And yeah, basically this is the house that I made. Here is the wood that I wanted. There is the art. Okay, the roof, there isn't anything. It's just for fun, or maybe I can do something. Like I can make it here. Oh no, here. Okay. I can make like something from here. No, wait. Oh yeah, from here I can. From here. But I think to remove this here. The inside. No, wait. I have a better idea. Just I don't know how can I design this world, but yeah. I need more colorful. Now you are going to tell me that I cheated this wood. No, I didn't cheat it. Let's make only this, and oh my god, it's getting light. Just make the ladder. 2 ladders. What the hell? Oh my god, I'm going to sleep now. Oh my god! Zombie! How? Oh my god. How did zombie just join in my house? Did he broke the... Oh no! He didn't. What the... How? Just... I don't know. 6. Okay. If you... Again, I'm telling why am I on 1.7.3. That's it because I love this version. Or maybe I didn't say that. I love this version, and for that I'm on it because I didn't want the new versions with the blue stamps and other things. Okay. Let's make the ladders. Now, bang. Okay, this I'm going to make something in the this will be my second floor. Wait, I need to remove this. But maybe I can. Oh my god, I can't. Never mind, it's also here now. Now I think I will make my. No. I'm going to make something there. Oh, I have an idea. Okay. What I needed now. I'm going to make here yay! I made it. Wait, maybe this here can make it. Oh my god! Bam! This is an awesome thing, by the way. If you like it, just leave a like for this video if you like it. Let's only change something. Oh, I need it only. Oh my god. So, better idea is to add. Oh my god, no! Why did it say that? Better idea for me is to add like thing here and torch here. And I'm on brightness 100%. Why? Zombie. Oh my god. I'm going to put them here some torches. Now let's go down in the chest and get the oh god, I just take two, but I don't need it actually. Okay, now let's go down and put this fucking wood here. By the way, if you gonna ask me how I did the maybe I said no, I didn't. So I get these items by maybe I said yeah. Okay. So now if you can tell me do you like this thing, I can make something with it and I can upgrade it and something. Let's there something. And by the way, I don't know what else can I say about that world. Oh yeah, only one more time again. This world is legit. I didn't cheat it. Any cheat not. I didn't cheat it. This is all legit world. Stop telling me that I'm cheating. Stop. Just stop. I know that you are watching the video. Don't tell me that it's not legit. Hey, I said you. Don't tell me. Okay. Oh my god, my ass broke. Now I don't know what can I show you. Oh yeah, by the way, this chest I don't use it for now, but I don't use it. Maybe no, it's not true. I don't think I'm going to do it, but no, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not. You hear me? I'm not gonna do it. I'm not going to find Herobrine. If I'm just going to find it, I'm going to be like, oh my god. But I'm not gonna do it. Wait for me to get one more pork chop and cook it. Don't need this pickaxe. By the way, I can tell you one thing that you've never been learning. I have new intro. Hooray! It's made by me, and it's just the thing that I've never been making before. Banana. Yeah. It's with bananas. Bananas. Banana, just I love bananas. I just love bananas. Oh my god, my armor is going to broke. I need something to eat. Oh my god. I just got killed. Never mind. I think this will be the ending of this video. I can't show you the things, the other things, but I'm not going to show you. Okay, I'm going to show you from my answer. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. I was Barker, and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Bam.